Mountain Daylight Time. At 2:56 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Montrose, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, train spotters reported small limbs down in Olathe. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Montrose. This includes yourself. Highway 50 in Colorado between mile markers 85 and 87, and between mile markers 94 and 102. Highway 50 in Colorado between mile markers 85 and 87, in between mile markers 94 and 102. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.